Come on, talk to me. 3 magpies here. That's it. Thank you very much. Keep talking to me. Come on. No, don't worry about him. Come on, talk to me. Another guy just walked past us, so they're like chatting. How are you? No, I'm not going up there. Come on, talk to me. Sing. Come on. Isn't she beautiful? Come on, talk to me. Well, thank you very much for the interview anyway. This is Steve for Steve TV. Talking to a mob of magpies. Just while I'm here, I'll just show you the graffiti. This is my latest graffiti walkway that I'm walking through. It goes all the way through Carlisle Street. And it's pretty cool, don't you think? So this is obviously a vacant lot. And there's always a pigeon. Huh? Always a pigeon in St Kilda. Oh, someone's broken in. Broken in to paint more stuff. So you saw it here. Steve TV. There's some bread there, and that's what they're attracted to. There's a mob of crows and those little birds that I don't know what they're called. Maybe if I stand back here they might give you some action. There's some up there on the antenna. I love this time of the day. Even in winter it's very cold. But I love the clouds. The birds are all active at this time. Cool, huh? You're watching Steve TV.